Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I am going to guide you on how to link your phone number to your TikTok account. So let's start the video. First of all, open the TikTok app first and you will be on the FYP of TikTok. Now tap on your profile icon that is at the bottom right corner and you will be on your profile. Now tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner. Here tap on the bottom settings and privacy option. And now here you can see the several settings over here like account privacy, security and missions, share profile. Just tap on the account option. Here again you will see the several settings over here. Just tap on the account information center. And finally you can see the phone number option here. Tap on it and enter your phone number. After you enter it, tap on the continue. So that's how you can link your phone number to your TikTok account. Maybe in case if you forget your password, then it can help you to recover your ID. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.